I'm going to show you how to use AI to find high-performing niche products that sell, and most importantly, no one else knows about. Products are everywhere. The real question is, how do you find the ones that are actually profitable and keep selling for years to come? Of course, you could play the guessing game and spend your time and money hoping to find that diamond in the rough. Or you could be smart about it. Learn how to use AI correctly and have it do all the work for you. Let's get into it. Now let's talk about Google and Google Gemini. One of the hottest search tools in the commerce space just got an upgrade. Google Trends now utilizes Gemini to automatically find and compare related search trends for you. Throw in a topic like back pain relief or cat furniture, and Gemini proposes up to 8 related search terms and shows you which are spiking in real time. Go to trends.google.com/explore. Type your main topic and click Suggest Search Terms. Add keywords and press Find Search Terms. Gemini will then fill the graph up with 8 related queries. For this example, I used pillows as my area of interest. Gemini populated 8 search terms: best pillow, neck pillow, pillowcases, etc. As we scroll down to the graph, we could see the interest each term had over the years. Body pillow has the most interest year over year. Yet, in October 2025, memory foam pillow and down pillow were trending more. Those lines that climb the hardest over the last 12 months, those are your breakout opportunities. Scrolling down below the graph, you can see the top queries surrounding each search term and the popularity change in searches. Instead of clicking through endless filters, Gemini does the heavy lifting for you. It reads years of search data and shows you what's actually heating up in your country. For more advanced searching, you can compare multiple versions of a niche product, like body pillow versus neck pillow, by typing that into the area of interest. This allows you to compare multiple different products. You can even change the region and time frame to see if the trend is global or local or even seasonal in the upper left corner. Start finding real rising trends with Gemini, then turn them into Shopify winners before anyone else notices. Now it's time to track the hottest products on the market using AI tools that combine sales data, revenue estimates, and trends. We're not guessing. We're getting real insights on what's actually selling right now. One tool you could try is dropship.io. With dropship.io, you can plug in a competitor's Shopify store and track their products, their estimated revenue, and which items are gaining momentum within the last 7 to 30 days. This website is key to separating yourself from a beginner seller to an advanced seller. From the dropship.io dashboard, go to the sales tracker section. This feature is specifically built to let you monitor competitor stores and products over time. In Sales Tracker, paste a store URL or a product link in the input field. Dropship.io will show you real-time sales estimates, pattern trends, which products are selling best, and estimated revenue and sales performance. Another tool worth checking out is Zeek Analytics, which is a Shopify sales tracker and trending score finder. From your Zeek Analytics account, make sure you're in the Shopify tools section of the dashboard. Paste the URL of the Shopify store you want to analyze in the sales tracker search bar, and click Search. Zeek will instantly pull revenue trends, product sales, and the best sellers. Use column filters to view by sales, revenue generated, and upload date. By the way, we're not sponsored by any of the tools mentioned in this video. These are just quick suggestions for you to get started right away. But please, feel free to do some research on the research tools. Now, when you're spying on other stores, there are 2 things you want to look for: patterns and underdog products. Patterns are when you start seeing the same problem being solved across multiple stores. Maybe it's the same type of product, just with different designs or branding. That's a huge signal the market is real. Then there are underdog products. These products might not have massive revenue yet, but their sales curve is shooting upward over the last 7 to 30 days. So instead of guessing what's trending on TikTok, you're asking a better question. What's already generating real revenue across multiple stores that no one on YouTube is talking about yet? And that's where the real opportunities usually are. Now, here's a tip a lot of new store owners skip: adding tags to your products. In Shopify, head to Products, click the product, And on the right, you'll see tags. Add tags that best describe your product. Tags help you track what's performing, organize your products, and make smarter AI-driven decisions as you go. Just ask Sidekick to analyze your products under a specific tag, and you'll get a full report in seconds. As your store grows, keep using Sidekick to track what categories your audience actually buys. Stop guessing. Start making decisions with real data and double down on your winners. One of the best features Shopify has is its own app store. You can literally spend hours combing through hundreds of apps that best fit your business. AI is taking the App Store by storm, and it's only growing. In fact, 70% of stores are projected to use at least one AI tool, mainly for product recommendations, search, and forecasting. One AI app you can start exploring with is AutoDS. One of the hottest features is their AI product tracking tool. This thing is insane. It shows you products trending in real time, so you can stock them while everyone else is still scratching their heads, wondering what's hot. Here's how to use it. From the AutoDS Marketplace, head to the Trending Products section on the left. Everything you see here is picked by AI. That's millions of products across dozens of niches, all scanned automatically to show you what's gaining traction right now. On the top of the page, you can filter by likes, impressions, profit range, how much the product sold for, and more. You can even see the last time someone commented on an ad, which is super useful to know if the trend is still hot or already cooling off. AutoDS doesn't just show trending products. It can analyze your store, your audience, and market trends, and then suggest products with high potential that actually fit your business. Find something you like, click on Import, and it goes straight into your Shopify store. From there, you can start testing products, track performance, and scale the winners. Here's something that's going to change how you think about product research forever. Right now, most people are scrolling TikTok or Reels, seeing a product blow up, and sprinting to find it on AliExpress before the next person does. Well, that's the game everyone's playing, and it's exhausting because by the time you've sourced it, set up your store, and started running ads, the trend's already dead. Here's the thing about viral products. They're symptoms. What if instead of chasing the product, you chased the problem? Someone's video about a foldable laptop stand goes viral not because of the product itself, but because a few million remote workers all have the same problem: a cramped desk that's wrecking their posture and their productivity. The product is just the solution that happened to get the spotlight. When you start thinking like this, you stop asking, what's blowing up right now? And start asking, what problem keeps making people stop scrolling? That's a much durable question, and AI is exceptionally good at helping you answer it. Okay, let's get practical. Your first job is to collect 20 to 30 pieces of social content in a niche you're interested in. TikTok videos, Reels, even YouTube Shorts, specifically the kind that's product-driven. Search terms like TikTok made me buy it, small business must-haves, things I wish I had sooner, or just game night essentials. You're not buying anything. You don't even have to watch the full videos. All you're doing is harvesting the titles, captions, and the text that creators use to describe why this product matters. That's where the real gold is. Now here's where it gets fun. Paste those titles and captions into an LLM, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever you're already using, and give it a prompt like this. Here are titles and captions from 25 social media videos about game nights. Group them by the core problem each one solves, who it seems to be for, and the rough price range of the product. Output this as a table. In about 30 seconds, you'll have a structured breakdown of the themes hiding inside all the content. Things like party hosts, $15 to $50, or serious game enthusiasts, $30 to $90. You can also try this with Sidekick inside of Shopify directly. Ask Sidekick, I'm researching products in game nights. Based on these video titles and captions, what recurring customer problems do you see? It won't have live TikTok data, but it's excellent at identifying patterns once you feed it the raw material. Look, I'll be honest, this step takes a little more patience than just copying what's trending, but everyone chasing viral products is competing for the same margin, the same audience, and the same shelf life. You're building a product roadmap based on real, durable problems that people are actively paying to solve. According to Shopify research, the top performing stores consistently share one trait. They're built around a clear customer problem, not a product category. And this is how you build that. Here's a mistake almost every new store owner makes. You find a product you like, then you go looking for someone to sell it to. You need to flip that script completely. Modern e-commerce AI tools are exceptionally good at understanding intent, not just what people click on, but what they're actually trying to accomplish. That's the foundation of something called jobs to be done thinking. And it's about to become your secret weapon for product selection. Start by describing your niche idea to an AI tool, then ask it to generate 3 to 5 detailed buyer personas with their core jobs to be done. Something like, give me 5 detailed buyer personas for someone shopping in the small kitchen gadget space, including what they're trying to achieve in their daily life. You'll get back personas like busy nurse in a small apartment who needs a 5-minute meal prep solution. It's specific, real, and immediately useful. Once you have those personas, run them through 2 follow-up questions. What physical or digital products would make this persona's life 10 times easier? And which of these products can realistically be sold with at least a 3 times markup? Now you're just not finding products, you're finding the right products for the right person at the right margin. If you're just getting started, use this to filter out random trends, a product with a clear use case and repeat purchase potential for a defined persona will always outperform a viral product aimed at nobody in particular. And if you've already got store data, purchase history, quiz answers, browsing behavior, feed that into AI too. Then you will get adjacent product ideas you've never would have found manually. And there you have it. A complete list on how to use AI to identify winning niche products for your Shopify store. And since you made it all the way to the end, here's a bonus tip. This is actually my best advice I can give you. If you're in it for the long term, stop trying to find the most exciting niche at the moment and start looking for the most useful one. Some of the most profitable businesses are built around what most people would call boring markets. So think kitchen tools, office supplies, pet care, home maintenance, and so on. Nobody's making a viral dance about drain cleaner, but the demand is stable, the problems are real, and the customers are actively looking for solutions. That's actually the ideal starting point. Here's how to use AI to go deeper than everyone else. Start with one of those broad categories and ask AI to generate 20 to 30 micro niches by mixing audience, context, and constraints. You'll go from kitchen tools to something like minimalist cooking gear for college students in dorms. Specific enough to own, broad enough to build a real catalog around. Then take your shortlist back to the tools from chapters 1 through 3 of this video and pressure test each one. Once you found a winner, go all in. Build 5 products around the same persona instead of scattering across random trends. The truth is that focus and consistency beats hype every single time. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Josh Saleh, and if you're serious about leveling up as an entrepreneur, hit subscribe to learn with Shopify and check out the next videos popping up on the screen. Your next breakthrough could be just one click away.